Libby, what's going on?
Oh, there you go.
What are you...
Oh, it's starting to hurt.
I'll hold my breath with you, okay?
You're
One,
not making a video of me holding my breath.
2, 3.
Oh, it's over. I'm starting to panic. Oh God. Whew. Okay, cut.
Mere alcohol doesn't thrill me at all. So tell me, why should it be true that I get a kick out